Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow anonymous questions on the ASKfm application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page by tapping on this home button down below on the left side corner of the screen. Then go to the top and tap on this profile icon on the left side. Tap on the settings button that you can find on the right side of the screen in the middle, and then click on account, which is the third option, as you can see. Then scroll down, and at the bottom you can find this allow anonymous questions that you can enable easily by tapping on this button next to it on the right side. It has been turned on. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.